National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Pope County, Illinois, Callaway County, Kentucky, Livingston County, Kentucky, Marshall County, Kentucky, southeastern McCracken County, Kentucky, eastern Graves County, Kentucky, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles north of Mayfield to near Palmersville, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Paducah around 4:55 p.m. Reedland around 5 p.m. Ledbetter around 5:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Murray, Salem, Berna, Benton, and Joy. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 13 and 33. Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 24 and 51. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following county: Pope, Illinois, and the following counties in Kentucky: Callaway, Graves, Livingston, Marshall, and McCracken. Now for the official National Weather Service